अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज से हम लेक्चर्स स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। जो STEO पीरा का जीके का पेपर होना है, उसके लिए जो आने वाला लेबर ऑफिसर, एक्साइज एंड टैक्सेशन और असिस्टेंट इलेक्शन कमीशन का जीके का पेपर होना है, इन सब के लिए ये MCQs इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं। तो ये आने वाले तमाम एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए जो स्टूडेंट्स तैयारी कर रहे हैं, उन सब को ये MCQs करने चाहिए। स्टार्ट करेंगे हम इस्लामियात से। इस्लामियात का पोर्शन जो है वो मस्ट होता है तमाम जीके के पेपर्स में। वन बाय वन हम तमाम सब्जेक्ट्स को डिस्कस करेंगे। फ़र्स्ट लेक्चर है हमारा इस्लामियात से, हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। फ़र्स्ट MCQs है हमारे पास प्रॉफिट मोहम्मद पीस बी अपॉन हिम से रिलेटेड। होली प्रॉफिट पीस बी अपॉन हिम वाज बोर्न in 571 AD, 22nd of April, day Monday. Father name was Hazrat Abdullah, mother's name Hazrat Amna Raziyallahu Ta'ala anha. Maternal grandfather's name was Wahab bin Abdul Manaf. Maternal grandmother Batara. Real name of Abdul Muttalib was Sheba. Grandmother name was Fatima. Number of uncles was 10 and 6 aunts. Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him journeyed to Syria with Abu Talib at 12 years age. At 25, Prophet peace be upon him married to Hazrat Khadija Raziyallahu Ta'ala anha. Hazrat Khadija accepted Islam first in women and in all. Hazrat Abu Bakr accepted first in men. Hazrat Ali accepted first in children. Warqa bin Nawfal verified Prophet for the first time. Holy Prophet had 4 daughters and 3 sons. At the age of 40, Holy Prophet received first Wahi. In 622 AD, Holy Prophet migrated to Medina. Hazrat Halima was the foster mother of Holy Prophet. Besides Hazrat Halima Raziyallahu Ta'ala anha, Holy Prophet peace be upon him said that Ayman is also my mother. Name the foster mothers of Holy Prophet peace be upon him: Hazrat Halima, Hazrat Sobia and Hazrat Khawla Raziyallahu Ta'ala anha. How many years after the birth of Holy Prophet peace be upon him Hazrat Amna died? 6 years. Shima was the foster sister of Holy Prophet peace be upon him. Hazrat Halima looked after the Holy Prophet for 4 years. Hazrat Muhammad peace be upon him age was 35 at the time of Hijr Aswad incident. Hazrat Bilal Habshi was the first slave to accept Islam. Wife of Abu Lahab used to spread throne in the way of Holy Prophet in the 4th year of prophethood. Home of Hazrat Arqam Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu used as the center of secret preaching by the Holy Prophet. In the 7th Nabi, boycott of Banu Hashim began. Hazrat Adam met with Holy Prophet on the first heaven. Hazrat Isa and Hazrat Yahya on second heaven. Hazrat Yaqub on third. Hazrat Idris on fourth. Hazrat Harun on fifth. Hazrat Musa on sixth. Hazrat Ibrahim on seventh. Al-Qaswa is the name of camel on which Prophet travelled. Prophet peace be upon him purchased mosque land at Medina from 2 orphans, Sahel and Suhail. Charter of Medina was issued on 1st AH and it had 57 articles. Transfer of Qibla was ordered in 2nd AH. 27 are the total number of Ghazwas. First Ghazwa of Islam was Vidan Abwa, fought in 12th month of 1st Hijrah. Jang-e Badr occurred in 2 AH. 313 Muslims fought in battle. Number of hadiths collected by Abu Huraira 5374. Prophet Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam known as Sheikh al-Anbiya. Abu Ubaidah bin Jarrah was entitled Aminul Ummat. Hazrat Umar proposed azan for the first time. The dome over the sacred grave of the Holy Prophet is known as Gumbad-e-Khizra. Baitul Mamur is a place where 70,000 angels were Circumambulation during the Holy Ascension. Baitul Mamur is on 7th heaven. 4 kings accepted Islam when Holy Prophet sent them letters. Mosque of Zarar was demolished by Prophet. Hazrat Ali conquered the fort of Qamus. Lady named Zainab tried to poison the Holy Prophet. Prophet recited Surah Fatah at the conquest of Makkah. Hashim was grandfather of Prophet and brother of Muttalib. The name Muhammad was proposed by Abdul Muttalib, while the name Ahmad was proposed by Bibi Amina. Migration from Mecca to Abyssinia took place in the 7th month of the 5th year of the mission, that is 615 AD. The total number of migrated people was 15, 11 men and 4 women. Second migration to Habsha took place in 616 AD. Second migration to Abyssinia, 101 people with 18 female. After Hazrat Amina's death, Ayman looked after Prophet. After Harb-e Fajr, Prophet took part in Halaful Fuzul. Prophet made second business trip to Syria in 24th year of the Elephant. Friend of Khadija, Nafisa, carried message of Nikah to Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Surname of Halima Sadiya was Qabta. Surname of Prophet was Abul Qasim. Daya of the Prophet was Shifa, who was mother of Abdul Rahman bin Auf. Abdul Muttalib died in 579 AD. Maisara, a slave of Hazrat Khadija, accompanied Prophet to Syria. First foster mother was Sobia, who was the mother of Hazrat Hamza Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. For 6 years, Hazrat Halima took care of Prophet, peace be upon him. After 7 days, the Aqiqah ceremony of Prophet, peace be upon him, was held. Prophet, peace be upon him, belonged to Banu Hashim, clan of Quraysh tribe. Among uncles, Hazrat Abbas and Hazrat Hamza Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu embraced Islam. Hazrat Amina was buried at Abwa between Makkah and Medina. 6 months before the Prophet, peace be upon him, birth, his father died. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, had no brother and no sister. Foster father of Prophet, peace be upon him, was Haris. At the age of 15, Harb-e Fajr took place. Harb-e Fajr means war fought in the prohibited months. First father-in-law of Prophet, peace be upon him, was Khawalid. Amina belonged to Bani Zohra tribe. Hazrat Umar and Hazrat Hamza accepted Islam in 615 AD, 5th Nabwi. Social boycott of Banu Hashim took place in 7th Nabwi. Shiba means valley. Social boycott continued for 3 years. A group of Medina met Prophet in 11th Nabwi. Accord of Uqba took place in 13th Nabwi. On 27th of Rajab, 10th Nabwi, is the event of Miraj took place. 10th Nabwi was called Amul Huzn, year of grief. Name of the camel on which Prophet was riding in migration was Kaswa. Umar bin Hisham was the original name of Abu Jahl. Abu al-Hikam is the title of Abu Jahl. Persons included in Bait-e Uqba Ula 12 and Bait-e Uqba Sani was 75. Cave of Hira is 3 miles from Makkah. Hijrah took place in 13th Nabwi. Medina is 338 km from Makkah, that is 210 miles. Makkah conquest occurred in the 8th year of Hijrah. Prophet performed Hajj in 10th of Hijrah. Prophet was buried in the Hujra of Hazrat Aisha Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born in 1st year of Elephant. Ambassadors sent to Arab and other countries in 7th Hijrah. King of Iran tore away the message of Prophet, peace be upon him. king of Byzantine in the 7th Hijra was Hercle. After 6 years of the birth of Holy Prophet, Bibi Amna died. After 8 years of the birth of Prophet, Hazrat Abdul Muttalib died. Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, demised at the age of 63. First Azan was called out in first Hijra. Bahira, Syrian Christian saint, recognized Prophet as last prophet. Harb-e Fajr was the war fought between Quraysh and Bani Hawazin when Prophet peace be upon him was of 15 years and participated in it. Hazrat Muhammad peace be upon him visited Taif in 10th Nabi. Tribe of Taif was Saqaf. Prophet with Zaid bin Haris went to Taif and stayed for 10 days. Bibi Amna suckled Prophet for 3 days. After 18 months at Medina, of change of Qibla occurred. Old name of Zu Qiblatain is Banu Salim. Cave of Hira is in Jabal Noor mountain. At Masjid al-Khaif, Mina, almost 70 prophets are buried. Month of migration was Rabiul Awal. Qibla nowadays is called Khana-e-Kaaba. Prophet addressed Khutbah-e-Jummah for first time in first Hijra. Year of deputation is 9th Hijra. Muwakhat, the brotherhood, took place in 2nd Hijra. Jihad was allowed in 2nd Hijra. Ashab-e-Sufa, Muhajirs who stayed near Masjid-e-Nabi. Huraira means a cat. Bait-e-Rizwan took place in 6th Hijra. Jewish tribe of Banu Nuzair expelled from Medina in 4th Hijra. Bait-e-Rizwan is also known as Bait-e-Shajra, made under Kikar tree. Companions of Prophet at Hudaybiyah were 1400. Prophet stayed at Mecca for 15 days after its conquest. 1 lakh companions accompanied Prophet at last Hajj. Prophet spent his last days in Hazrat Aisha Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anha house. Cave of Saur is located near Mecca 5 miles. Quba is 3 miles away from Medina. In 6th year of Hijrah, Prophet intended for Umrah. Prophet peace be upon him stayed in Ayub Ansari's house for 7 months. Hazrat Muhammad peace be upon him performed Umrah in 7th AH. Zaid bin Haris Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu was the adopted son of Holy Prophet peace be upon him. Year 570 known as Year of Elephant or Amal Fail. Hazrat Khadija and Hazrat Abu Talib died in 619. First place from where Prophet peace be upon him openly started his preaching, Jabal-e-Faran and Mount Safa. Prophet did convert messaging at house of Arqam up to 3 Nabi, that is for 3 years. Prophet preached openly in 4th Nabi. Prophet peace be upon him narrated the event of Miraj, first of all to Hani, real sister of Ali. Prophet was staying at the house of Hani on the night of Miraj. In Miraj, Prophet travelled from Baitul Muqaddas to Sidratul Muntaha. During Hijrat, Saraka bin Sajal spied. In Miraj, Jibrail alayhi salam called Azan in Baitul Muqaddas. Prophet peace be upon him led all the prophets in a prayer in Miraj at Al-Aqsa. Hazrat Fatima died after 6 months of Holy Prophet peace be upon him and the age was 31, 11th AH. Youngest daughter of Holy Prophet peace be upon him was Hazrat Fatima Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anha. Islamic official seal started on 1st Muharram 7 AH. Seal of Prophet peace be upon him was made of silver. What was written on the Holy Prophet peace be upon him seal? Allah Rasul Muhammad. Prophet performed 1 Hajj in 10 AH and 4 Umrahs in 7 AH. Change of Qibla occurred on 15th of Shaban 2 AH, Monday during Zuhr. Construction of Masjid-e-Nabi started in Rabiul Awal 1st AH. Namazi Jummah become farz in Medina. First man to embrace Islam on the eve of Fatah Makkah was Abu Sufyan. First to migrate to Medina, first Muhajir, Abu Salam. Last to migrate to Medina was Abbas. First non-Arab to embrace Islam, Farwa bin Umraw. Facsimile of Prophet was जिन सहाबी की शक्ल मुबारक आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम से मिलती थी उनका नाम था हज़रत मुसब बिन उमैर रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु. Kalsoom bin al-Hadan gave land for Quba Mosque. The title of Aminul Ummat is of Abu Ubaidah bin Jarrah, conqueror of Damascus. The day when Prophet delivered his last khutbah was Jummah. Idols in Kaaba before Islam numbered was 360. The largest idol was Hubal. Hazrat Bilal Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu called first azan of Fajr prayer. The Hadith, which is transmitted with continuity and enjoys such abundance of narrators that their statement becomes authentic, is called Mutawatir. The grave of the Prophet was prepared by Hazrat Abu Talha. Hazrat Qasim Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu was the first of the Holy Prophet's children to be born. The first Namazi Janaza performed by Rasulullah was that of Asad bin Zarara Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. The first namaz to be made farz was Tahajjud namaz, which was later made nafil. At Masjid Nabi, first Muslim university was established. Holy Prophet labored in the formation of Masjid Quba. Masjid Zarar was built by hypocrites at Medina. 25 doors are in Masjid Haram. The most important door of Kaaba is Babul Islam. The flag color of Holy Prophet was white and yellow at the time of conquest of Makkah. Friday is known as Sayyidul Ayyam. Shab-e Barat is celebrated on the 15th night of Shaban. The camel driver of Prophet at the fall of Makkah was Usama bin Zaid bin Haris Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Prophet issued order of killing Abdul Uzza bin Khatal at the fall of Makkah. At Kohe Safa, Prophet addressed after the conquest of Makkah. That's all about today's video. अगर ये आपको यूज़फुल लगी हो तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो देखने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें. मोस्ट प्रॉबेबली इस्लामियात के जो MCQs आने हैं वो इन्हीं पोर्शंस में से आएंगे. अगर आप कहीं और से प्रिपेयर नहीं भी करते हैं तो आप खुद देखेंगे कि पेपर में यहीं से MCQs आए हुए होंगे. दैट्स ऑल अबाउट टुडेज़ वीडियो. स्टे ट्यून्ड. अल्लाह हाफिज़.